under 3000 rupees on Amazon. Most of them are just okay. Either the ratings were not good, people complained about the sound quality or the battery life. But then I tried this, the Tribit XSound Go. And honestly, I think this is the best one you can get for the price, and it's got great ratings on Amazon as well. What I've noticed first is the build quality. It's small, it's compact, but it feels heavy and solid. It's got an almost rubbery feel, so it gives you a good grip. The sound is really good. Even at 100% volume, it's clear and it doesn't feel noisy or distorted, or it doesn't feel like awaaz phat raha hai. I noticed need to charge this once a week, and in normal use, it can just go on and on. As a Type-C charging port, so you can use any charger that you already have. Right now it's available on Amazon for under 3000 rupees. For this price, I think it's a total paisa vasool deal. I've put the Amazon link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Comes with a nice string. The only issue is when you hit the plus button and it reaches the maximum volume, it makes this very irritating sound. And this sound actually interrupts the song that is going on. So yeah, it's quite annoying. But apart from this, I don't think there is any other issue. Tribit that you can buy under 3000 rupees. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to The Techer. See you in the next one.